Okay, guys, very quickly, I'm going to be opening you up to something very lovely and expressly. Yeah, let's go together. We're going to be learning every singular thing on Surds. Oh yes, we're going to learn everything on Surds, everything you should know and all of that. I'll tell you first. If you feel any question here, I go use this extension to shock you. You there with me? Yes. So you must pay solid attention. You doing well is my joy. Waiting again if you don't do well. About before me, Jerry. On that sword, what must we know? The first question is, what is a sword? And for us to better define sword, it's beautiful when we know the characteristics that govern it. The first character of sword you must notice that a sword is an irrational number. In other words, that irrational number must be in the root form. So two things have been struck here. Number one is that a sword is an irrational number, but that irrational number must be in the what? In the root form. Now the question that should flow into your mind is, what is an irrational number, right? Yes. Understand this, that an irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. In other words, I cannot express an irrational number as a simple fraction. So if I have A all over B, is this guy an irrational number or a rational number? This guy is nothing but what? Rational number. So this is a rational number. So if I have A alone, that means it becomes what? An irrational number. Are you understanding it now? So what I want you to get here very quickly is this. When we say 3 all over 5, is 3 over 5 an irrational number or a rational number? Of course, 3 over 5 is rational number. Oh yes. So when we now say, okay, things like your 5 or things like your 3, what are they? Are they rational or they are irrational number? Of course, they are irrational number. Do you understand it now? Now, if you get this in mind first, how do you now define sword? Very simple. Hold on a bit. As far as 100 level is concerned, right, for both first and second semester, your complete series of classes, including your practicals, everything from beginning to the end is in the LearnLift app. All you have to do is just march down to your Play Store or App Store and download the LearnLift app, and then you're going to have access to every singular class. So just move down to tertiary, click on tertiary plan, where you are going to see all your classes as far as your 100 level is concerned. And guess what? Your video lessons are there, your CBT is there, you have access to your past questions, you have access to your notes. Very, very important. Man, this semester, you must do well. And let's proceed quickly as we march down to our class and continue our class. Enjoy. You just tell us that swords are the square root of numbers that do not have a whole number as the roots. Don't worry, I'll be explaining. Swords are the square root. So the square root of numbers that do not have whole numbers as their roots is what we refer to as sword. E.g., a good example of such is things like your, let me say, your root 2, your root 3, your root 5, your root 6. Now the question is this: your root 3, what's your root 3? If you use your calculator, that will give you 1.7 something. Is this guy whole number or is not whole number? It's not giving you whole number. That's why we say swords are the square root of number that do not have a whole number, they don't have a whole number as the roots. For example, when we say root 10, what's your root 10? Of course, that will give you 3 point something. Is that whole number? No. So now the big question is this: your things like your root 2, your root 3, your root 5, your root 6, what are they? All of these are the examples of sword that we have. Why is it so? Because their square root will not give you whole number. Anything that the square root will not give you whole number as the root, are they sword or they are not sword? They are sword, simple. So now the big question is this: which ones are not sword? The ones that are not sword are things like, you see, like things like your 4 now. Let me say root 4. Since root 4 is going to give you 2, is it sword or is not sword? It's not sword. Because the square root of this is going to give you what? Whole number. That means it's not sword. Root 9, what's your root 9? 3. Is that sword? No, it's not sword. Root 40, and this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. So all of them there, they are not sword. Are you understanding it now? If you get this quickly with me, guess what? We're going to proceed and look at the rules that govern sword very quickly in the next class. See you there. Enjoy. Hope you've enjoyed this class. Guess what? To follow up for more classes, just download the LearnLift app, whether on Play Store or App Store, and then follow up your classes. You must do extremely well. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.